Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your portfolio, I've got some valuable insights for you. So, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Phantom. This is one of the best Layer 1 solutions available, like Avalanche and BNB. However, keep in mind that Phantom tends to be more affordable. Plus, Phantom has a new blockchain called Sonic launching later this year, which could enhance its capabilities even further. Next, we have Aptos. This first layer is gaining traction and is priced competitively compared to SUI. It's important to note that Aptos has a lot of potential, making it a solid option for investment. Now, let's shine a light on Cardano, ADA. Rumor has it that its director is connected to Donald Trump's crypto advisory team. This adds an intriguing layer to its credibility, so definitely keep an eye on it. Among the first layers, I'd also like to mention Celestia. It's a new modular blockchain that's both innovative and affordable. This could be a great addition to your portfolio. Moving on, we can't forget about Filecoin. As a storage coin, it plays a crucial role in the crypto ecosystem. With inflation rising, the demand for storage solutions is only going to increase, and Filecoin is still reasonably priced. If you're looking for a bit more risk and potentially higher rewards, consider Manta Coin. Released this year, it's the first modular second layer and is very cheap right now. Remember this step. When Ethereum hits new heights, these second layers are likely to follow suit. Now let's not overlook the second bridges. Arbitrum is a fantastic new option compared to Polygon. It's gaining popularity and could be a game changer in the crypto space. And last but not least, don't forget to explore AI assets. As technology evolves, AI is becoming increasingly important in the crypto market. That is all. Thanks for joining me today.